Why is freeze-all preferred over embryo transfer in the same cycle? Well, conventionally from 1978, embryo transfers used to be done in the same cycle 3 days or 5 days after the egg retrieval. But then the pregnancy rates were stuck at 35 to 40%. With the advent of vitrification, where we could freeze the embryos, and when we thawed the embryos we got 100% back, we realized that if we can artificially prepare the uterine lining, giving tablets and some injections, we can make the uterine lining more sticky and increase the pregnancy rates from 35-40% to up to 60%. And that is why we have started freezing or vitrifying all our embryos. Once the endometrium is prepared, we thaw out the embryo, transfer it, and get twice as much pregnancy rates.